Class 87 Online UPS. Here, whether the supply is off or not, supply is present or not, battery will be continuously supplying to the load. So, during when supply is on, inverter will be charging, inverter will be supplying the load from the battery. Also, battery will be getting charged from the supply through rectifier, like this and like this. These two will be happening. When power fails, no changeover takes place. Inverter will be supplying the load continuously. Rectifier only will not be working because it will not get any supply. It will continue like this. When the supply comes, again like this and like this will be always present. When supply is present, this also will be there. Suppose say outage or supply has gone off for long duration such that battery energy had become completely drained. In that case, there will be a static bypass. So, battery is drained fully, such that when the power comes, battery is yet to charge. Or say if battery is damaged or inverter is damaged, not working, in that case this switch will be on and power will flow like this. So normally this will be on, this will be off. When supply goes, nothing happens, only this stops working. When supply comes, this also will come. But in case power supply has gone out for long time, such that battery has not become healthy, or battery is not healthy, or inverter is not healthy, then only supply will go like this. Here the power line disturbances will be less because inverter is supplying the load. So most of the time it is internal power supply. So external disturbances from the power line is not affecting the load. But this is costly because this rectifier now has to supply battery as well as to the load. In the offline UPS, battery was being used only when supply is off. But in this case, this rectifier will have continuous duty. Hence, this will be very costly. Size also will be bulky because this rectifier, that is charging circuit, will be heavy. We will use step down transformer here because battery is low voltage. So for that also we need heavy. But for highly sensitive equipments, medical equipments, they need online UPS because they want exactly same voltage, everything, and they don't want any changeover. So in such cases, online UPS is used. Here changeover does not happen at all if the outage is small period.